Arctic sea ice loss is a stark climate tipping point. Scientists project a 80% chance of an ice-free Arctic summer by 2040 without action, possibly by 2030. Just 5 years away, its loss would trigger global chaos. Ice reflects the sun. Dark oceans absorbs it. As ice melts, it becomes dark oceans. This means that global warming would get accelerated. Heat waves, storms, and droughts would intensify, crippling agriculture. Food shortages would spark unrest, hitting poorer nations hardest. Weather would destabilize. A warmer Arctic could weaken the jet stream, bringing colder European winters and hotter tropics. Farmers would struggle, threatening food security. Coastal flooding would worsen, inundating cities like Jakarta. Ecosystems would collapse. Polar bears and seals would face extinction. Plankton declines would crash fisheries feeding billions. Arctic indigenous communities would lose hunting and cultural practices, facing displacement. Economic fallout would be massive. New shipping routes could disrupt trade if storms worsen. Coastal infrastructure, ports, homes would flood, costing trillions. Energy markets would fluctuate as Arctic resources destabilize. Socially, the toll would be profound. Coastal displacement could spark resource conflicts. Cultural heritage, from Arctic villages to historic ports, would vanish. The psychological impact of a changed planet would fuel despair. This tipping point could trigger others, like permafrost thaw, amplifying chaos. Once ice-free, the Arctic may stay that way for centuries, locking in a hotter world. Ecosystems and societies would face relentless pressure. Subscribe for more on climate threats, and check out my Tipping Points playlist to understand just how serious a threat climate change is.